All right, now let's look at the reading comprehension part of the English test, which is going to be the majority of the test. So one thing I want to look at is main idea type questions. So you'll have a passage, you'll have a number of paragraphs, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then whatever the last one is, and then you'll have some questions. So typically the main idea question is going to be the first question right after the passage. All right, so the main idea asks about the purpose of the passage or what the story is mainly about. So if you're having a hard time answering that question, you should reread the first and the last paragraphs because the main idea is typically repeated in those two paragraphs. Okay, and then if you still can't figure out what the answer is, what you should do is just answer the rest of the questions. Okay, because if you answer the rest of the questions, you're going to be forced to analyze the passage. So, and in doing so, when you're analyzing the passage, you're going to maybe pick up on things that you didn't pick up on the first time you read it. So now, going back to it, you'll be able to answer the main idea question because you just looked at the passage as a whole because you were forced to answer the other questions.